This Coldwell Banker SSK, Realtors property video is presented by Renae Anderson. Better than new. Want an open floor plan west/a bright cheery feel when you walk inside? Want an inviting back patio where you can sit in privacy west/no neighbors behind you? This home truly has it all, from the open floor plan west/the split bedrooms, the large island in the kitchen, the walk-in pantry, custom cabinets west/soft close drawers, and the laundry room. Upgrades on this home: screened-in back patio, gutters, shower door and a privacy fence, plus the washer and dryer stay. For more information, review the details below or contact Renae Anderson at 478-390-7690.